Alright, first of all, you need to have gone through tech. You need to go to Final Microsoft Project Part 1. We did this in class. And you did the class height data, which opened a new tab. And this is where you compiled your height. Now, if you look down at the bottom, it's not loading. Hang on. Give it a sec. There we go. If you look down at the bottom, it has all your blocks here. Block, semester 1, block 2, block 4, block 6, block 2, block 4, block 6. Alright, so each block you get credit, 5 points of completion credit just for entering your height. So by the time of me recording this, I'm waiting on 2 more blocks. I will compile it into here. Okay? So when you're ready, you're going to start. When you're ready to move on, so that's all you had to do, is put in your data for full credit. Then if you hit next, it goes to Final Project Microsoft Part 2. Now, there's a link to the statistical analysis worksheet, okay? This link also tells you there's a place where I kind of guide you through. It's called this Edpuzzles website. And this Edpuzzles website is where all these videos are posted with commentary and kind of side notes in there. So keep that in mind. Please log in with your Google account. By the time you're watching this video, you should have read through all of this. Everything has a link where there's a new Edpuzzles video chunk. I'll post the whole videos as well, just on YouTube, but Edpuzzles will help guide you a little bit more. This doesn't have a link. I'll deal with that. So again, this is a Google document, which we're going to talk about in the next unit, and this will this is a live document, so I can add and edit. This is going to be a 3-part assignment. You're going to have to do an Excel spreadsheet, which will end up looking like this. Notice we don't have names of the students, so I don't really care. They don't have a lot. I'm going to have you do all the students that I've had in tech, so that way you have a nice spread of data. You are going to have to find mean, mode, and the standard population deviation. I'll talk to you. Population deviation is what are you compared to the whole population versus what are you compared. This is sample. What are you compared to in a sample? I'm not going to do both of those. You'll just do one. I want to look at the minimum, the shortest person in the grade, the median, the average person in the grade, and the max. What's the tallest person in the grade? Also, you can give me a range. So range is going to tell you the height differences between the shortest and the tallest person. These bins are inaccurate, so I'll try and get a new set of bins up for you. The bins are essentially like, think of them as like bins that you would like organize your clothes into or whatever, like drawers. We're going to organize our class into bins of like tenths. So you should have the shortest person. If the shortest person is 4.2 feet tall, then you would say 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, go all the way up to the tallest, like one above the tallest person. And this is going to put, we're going to use this data analysis pack, which I'll talk to you about. You'll do data analysis pack to organize people into bins, which means how many people are at 4.7, how many people are at 5 foot exactly. And then we'll organize the class. Now we don't have the whole class, but we have a good chunk of them in this data here. Okay, so when you're ready, you're going to make a new spreadsheet. Loading, loading, loading. We're going to make a blank document. We're going to save it straight up so we don't lose it. Save as. I'm saving it in my folder for you guys. This is height data. Okay. Now that we have height data in column 1A, it says, we're going to call it, I don't know what it says. It says, I'm going to call it class height data. Please follow along and make sure these are in the right boxes so that way I don't have to reconfigure with all of you. Box 2, I'm not going to make you do MLA, just put your name. Okay, now we're going to start in A4. This is where we're going to copy our data. All I want is height. So you're literally going to copy all the heights that we have. So this is going to be inaccurate because I don't have everybody. I'm going to copy it from here. I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, feet, inches, and decimal feet. Okay, I'm just gonna make that a little bigger. All right, I'll show you how to do the equation here. First of all, what I want you to do is now I want you to pause and get the data analysis pack. So this is a special program that you can install into Excel to make this work. So I'm going to choose data here. Pause if you ever need me to slow down. Data analysis pack. And you want histogram. Right there, histogram. Hit OK. Oh. Let me wide. Yeah, that's my one. Okay. Oh, hold up. I already have data analysis pack installed. The difference is, sorry, I'm canceling this. I didn't mean to confuse you. I have data analysis pack already installed. You probably do not. So I'm already ready to do the analysis. So for you guys to install. So this is off the screen. So I'll know if you don't have this little box here under data, I'll know that you haven't installed it. So scratch what I just told you. Go to File, go to Options. Okay, and you want to hit Add-ins. Now this is all explained, so while I'll pause here. If I go back to here, go to here, this is all explained right here on the last page of this document. See, Data Analysis Tool Pack loading, add-ins, manage, Excel add-ins, okay? So we're back here. We're to add-ins. We want the tool pack. You're going to click on that and you're going to hit OK. I already have it, so it'll show up right there. This is how it's going to analyze some of your data. That's how you turn in Analysis Tool Pack. And that's the start of what you need to get done.